These are not random numbers. 200 million subscribers, 8.7 billion views, 7.4 billion views, 4.7 billion views. The biggest kids channels on YouTube have already cracked a system, and most people have no idea what it actually is. Channels like Coco Melon built empires in a short time, and Choo Choo TV crossed nearly 100 million subscribers with a surprisingly small number of videos. So the real question is, do you actually understand what they are doing differently? And more importantly, can you replicate it without spending endless hours creating content manually? You have definitely seen these videos before. Simple animated nursery rhymes that look almost too basic, yet they pull in millions of views every single upload. Channels with tens of millions of subscribers are doing the exact same thing over and over, and every video hits again and again. This is not luck, and it is not raw creativity. It is a repeatable system built on simple formats, and now that system is being accelerated by AI. The barriers that used to exist, animation, editing, and voiceovers, are basically gone. With free AI tools available right now, you can produce unlimited nursery rhyme videos without a team, without expensive software, and without advanced skills. Here is where most people get it completely wrong. They assume building a channel like this is difficult, or that it takes years before anything happens. That is simply false. I have worked with creators who use this exact system and saw results within their first few months. Channels with under 30 uploads crossing 100,000 subscribers, and single videos reaching over 14 million views. These are not complex productions. They are simple cartoon-style videos built on repeatable ideas, and the only difference between those channels and someone starting today is consistency and knowing exactly what works. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step using free AI tools. No shortcuts, no vague explanations. You will see the actual result first, and then I will break down the entire process so you can replicate it yourself.
One morning, something was terribly wrong. The sky stayed dark. The stars wouldn't leave. The moon yawned and shook its head.
You saw the result of the video? I made it using free AI tools. But you need to stay focused, because if you skip even one step, you will not get the same outcome. Watch until the end, and you will walk away understanding how this system actually works and how you can start using it today. To create a nursery rhyme video, the first thing you need is the right prompt. I have already prepared a single master prompt that handles everything. One prompt, complete video. To get it, open Google and go to the website you can see on the screen right now. Once you are on the site, click the Read More button on the first post. Then scroll down until you see the prompt link option. Click on it and wait about 30 seconds. The prompt will automatically open in a new tab as a Google Doc. That is it. You now have everything you need to start building your video using free AI tools. Once you have the Google Doc open, copy the entire prompt. Then open a new tab and go to Claude AI. Paste the prompt directly into the input box and click the button to generate. Claude will immediately generate a list of viral topic ideas for your nursery rhyme video. Look through the ideas and pick one. It does not matter which one you choose, just pick something that feels right and copy it. Paste that idea into the prompt box and click the Generate button. Claude AI will then ask you to confirm the character for your video, meaning it will suggest who the main character should be. Copy the character name that Claude suggests and paste it back into the prompt box. Then click the Generate button. This locks your character in. From this point, your topic and character are set, and the system knows exactly what kind of video it is building for you. After locking in your character, Claude AI will ask you one more question. It will say, "Shall I now write the full story and narration script with music prompts?" Simply type yes into the box and click the Generate button. Claude will then start building everything for you automatically. Give it a moment to finish. Once it is done, you will see your complete script along with a music prompt placed under each paragraph. So for every section of the video, you have both the narration and the music direction already paired together. In this case, you are getting 10 paragraphs and 10 music prompts, everything organized and ready to use. Now it is time to generate the music. Start by copying the first paragraph of your script along with its music prompt. Then open a new tab, go to Google, search for Google Gemini, and open the first result. Once you are inside Gemini, click on the prompt box and look for the Tools option. From there, click on the Create Music button. As soon as the music tool opens, paste your first paragraph along with the music prompt into the box and click the Generate button. Gemini will start creating the music for that section of your video. Give it a moment to process, and your first music track will be ready. Once the music is generated, you will notice it already includes narration as well. Simply click the Download button, select Audio Only, and save it as an MP3 file. That is your first track done. Now go back to Claude AI, copy the next paragraph along with its music prompt, return to Google Gemini, paste it into the box, and click Generate. Your second track will be ready in moments. If any track does not come out the way you want, just click the Regenerate button, and Gemini will create a new version for you. Repeat this process for every paragraph Claude AI gave you. Copy the paragraph, paste it into Gemini, generate, and download the MP3. Do this one by one until you have all 10 tracks downloaded. The entire process is free, and you can generate all 10 music files directly inside Google Gemini without paying for anything. Once you have all your music downloaded, go back to Claude AI. It will ask you another question: do you want character design prompts? Simply type yes into the box and click the Generate button. Claude will immediately create a detailed image generation prompt for each character that appears in your video. In my case, there are 4 characters, so I received 4 separate prompts, one for each character. Each prompt is already formatted and ready to be pasted into an AI image generation tool. Now we are going to generate the images for all 4 characters. Start by copying the prompt for your first character. The link for Pippit AI is in the description below. Click on it, sign up, and log in. You will receive free credits automatically when you create your account. Once you are inside, you will see 2 options: image and video. Click on the image option and paste your first character prompt into the box. Then go to the model section and select the Nano Banana model. After that, go to the aspect ratio section and choose the 1:1 ratio. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and wait for your first character image to be created. Once your first character image is ready, go back to Claude AI and copy the prompt for the next character. Return to Pippit AI, paste the prompt into the box, and click Generate. Your second character image will be ready in moments. Repeat this same process for the remaining characters, copying each prompt from Claude AI, pasting it into Pippit AI, and generating the image one by one. Once all 4 character images are generated, download them one by one. In the next step, we are going to use these 4 character images to create all the scene images for your video. Now we need the scene prompts for all the images in the video. Go back to Claude AI and it will ask you, do you want cinematic scene prompts? Type yes and click Generate. Claude will start creating both image prompts and video motion prompts for every moment in your story, anywhere between 15 and 20 fully detailed scenes. Give it a moment to finish and all your scene prompts will be ready. Now we are going to use these prompts to generate the actual images. For this, we will use a tool called Flow AI, where you can generate images completely free. Go to Flow AI, sign up, and log in to get started. Once you are inside Flow AI, click on New Project. A new interface will open in front of you. Click on the Settings button at the bottom, select Image, and then choose your model. After selecting the model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the best format for YouTube videos. Once that is done, click on the plus icon and then click the Upload Image button. Select all 4 character images that you generated from Pippit AI and upload them. Your 4 characters will now be uploaded as a reference. While the characters are uploading, go back to Claude AI and copy the first image prompt. Make sure you are copying only the image prompt and not the video motion prompt. Go back to Flow AI, confirm that all 4 character images are already uploaded in the reference box. Paste your image prompt and click the Generate button. Flow AI will use your 4 characters as a reference and start building your first scene image. Once the first image is ready, upload the 4 characters again into the reference box for the next generation. Go back to Claude AI, copy the next image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Repeat this exact process for every scene prompt Claude gave you. Every single time you generate a new image, make sure the 4 character images are uploaded as a reference so that your characters stay consistent throughout the entire video. Once all your scene images are generated, download them one by one from Flow AI. We are going to need every single image in the next step because we will be converting them into video clips. Go ahead and download all of them before moving forward. To convert your images into videos, we are going to use Meta AI, which is completely free. Go to Meta AI and create your account. Once you are inside, click the plus icon and upload your first image. Then go back to Claude AI and copy the video motion prompt that matches that exact image. Paste the motion prompt into Meta AI and click Generate. Your image will start converting into a video clip. Once the first clip is ready, upload your next image, go back to Claude AI, copy the matching motion prompt, paste it into Meta AI, and click Generate again. Repeat this same process for every image until all of them have been converted into video clips. Once everything is done, download all the video clips from Meta AI one by one. Now it is time to bring everything together. Open CapCut and import all the video clips generated by Meta AI. Also import all the music tracks generated by Google Gemini. Start by placing the music on the timeline first, then arrange your video clips on top of the music so everything lines up properly. From here, you can make any additional edits you want based on your own preference. Once your video is ready, click the export button and your completed nursery rhyme video will be done. This entire process is free, repeatable, and scalable. You can use this exact system to create as many videos as you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel.